Hassan sir going to explain chapter 2 polynomials exercise 2.5. As I have explained in my previous video question 1 to 8. Now I am explaining from question number 9 onward. Yes, question 9. Verify first part x cube plus y cube. So the identity is x cube plus y cube equals to, in first bracket, x plus y, in second bracket, square of first term x square, square of second term y square, then product xy with negative sign minus xy. Again I am explaining. X cube plus y cube, in first bracket x plus y, then square of first x square, then square of second y square minus xy, product with negative sign. Yes, RHS, right hand side is equal to x plus y, x square plus y square minus xy. Taking first term, multiplying in all, x to x square, that is x cube, x to y square, xy square, then x to minus xy, x square y minus x square y. Now take the second term and multiply in all. So x square y minus x square y plus x square y, y to the power 3 plus minus minus xy square, here x cube no other term, y cube no other term, plus x square y minus x plus x y square minus xy square cancelled, minus x square y plus x square y cancelled. What left? X cube plus y cube equals to RHS, hence it is verified. 9 second part, x cube minus y cube equals to x minus y, then square of first x square, square of second term y square, as we know square is always positive, plus y square, then plus xy, product xy, product with positive sign xy. Now taken RHS equals to x minus y, this is the right hand side and this is the left hand side beta. X minus y, in second bracket x square plus y square plus xy. Now first term of first bracket and it is multiplied to all these terms in second bracket. So x to x square, that is x to the power 3, x to y square, that is xy square, then x square y. Now take y, multiply in all, minus x square y minus x square y minus y cube minus xy square, xy square minus xy square cancelled, plus x square y minus x square y cancelled, x cube minus y cube, that is left hand side LHS, hence verified. Question 10. Factorize each of the following. First, 27y cube plus 125z cube. So it is 3y whole cube, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27y cube is 3y whole cube, 125z cube is minus 5z whole cube. So in first bracket 3y minus 5z, and in second bracket beta square of first, so 3 3s are 9 y square, then square of second, 5 5s are 25 z square, that is here, and then product 5 3s are 15 yz plus 3y dot 5z, so 3y minus 5z, 9y square plus 25z square plus 5 3s are 15 yz. Second part, 64 m cube minus 343 n cube. Again the identity is used. a cube minus b cube, that is in first bracket a minus b. In second bracket square of first a square plus b square plus product with positive sign ab. 64 is the cube of 4, so 4m whole cube. 343 is cube of 7 minus 7n cube. So in first bracket 4m minus 7n, 4m minus 7n. In second bracket square of first 4 4s are 16 m square, then 7 7s are 49 n square, then product 4m multiply 7n, 4m multiply 7n, 4m minus 7n, 16 m square plus 49 n square, 7 4s are 28 mn. Yes. Question 11. Factorize 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. 27x cube is 3x whole cube, y cube is y cube, z cube is z cube. So it is minus 3, x is 3x, 3 dot 3x dot y dot z, 3 dot 3x dot y dot z. So 3x plus y plus z, then square of first 9x square, square of second y square, square of third z square minus 3xy, 3xy with negative sign, yz minus yz, sign is changed, 3xz minus 3xz, it's over. Question 12. Verify that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals to 1 by 2 x plus y plus z in first bracket, and in second bracket x plus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. Yes, solution. Right hand side RHS equals to 1 by 2 x plus y plus z bracket close. In second square bracket open, then small bracket x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square, square bracket closed. 1 by 2 x plus y plus z. Now it is expanded x minus y whole square, so that is x square plus y square minus 2xy. Y minus z whole square, that is y square plus z square minus 2yz. Same, z minus x whole square equals to z square plus x square minus 2zx. 1 by 2 x plus y plus z, x square plus y square minus 2xy plus y square plus z square. So it is 2x square plus x square 2x square, y square plus y square 2y square, z square plus z square 2z square minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx, square bracket closed. Now 1 by 2 x plus y plus z, 2 is taken common in all, 2. So it is x square, it is y square, it is z square minus xy minus yz minus zx, 2 is taken common, 2 and 2 cancel out. Now x plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx equals to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, hence verified. Question 13. If x plus y plus z equals to 0, show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3xyz. We know that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals to x plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. As it is given x plus y plus z equals to 0, so x plus y plus z equals to 0, it is put here. So 0 multiply x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. When we x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals to 0. So therefore x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to minus 3xyz is transposed. It is 3xyz, hence shown. Question 14. Without actually calculating the cubes, find the value of first part minus 12 to the power 3 plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. Since sum of the given numbers is minus 12 plus 7 plus 5, so it is 7 plus 5, 12, minus 12 plus 12 cancelled out, it is 0. Therefore a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals to 3abc. 3 multiply minus 12 dot 7 dot 5. So the result is minus 1260. Second part, 28 cube plus minus 15 cube plus minus 13 cube. Here a equals to 28, b equals to minus 15, c equals to minus 13. Now sum equals to 28 minus 15 minus 13. 28 is 28, minus 15 minus 13, that is minus 28, plus 28 minus 28 cancelled, equals to 0. X cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3 dot x dot y dot z. So 3 multiply 28 multiply minus 15 minus 13, minus into minus, it is plus. So 16380 is the product. 15 first part, area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is given as 25a square minus 35a plus 12, 25a square. Second term is splitted, minus 20a minus 15a plus 12. In first two term 5a is common, so here 5a minus 4. In second two term minus 3 is common, 5a minus 4. The bracket is common now, 5a minus 4, 5a minus 3. So as we know, area of rectangle equals to length into breadth. So length is 5a minus 4 and breadth is 5a minus 3. So length of rectangle L equals to 5a minus 3 and breadth of rectangle B equals to 5a minus 4. Second, area of rectangle 35y square plus 13y minus 12. Now splitting the middle term, 35y square plus 28y minus 15y minus 12. 7y is taken common in first two term, so it is 5y, 7 5s are 35y square plus 7 4s are 28y, 5y plus 4 in first bracket. Here 3 is taken common in last two terms, minus 15y minus 12, 3 is taken common, 3 5s are 15, 5y plus minus minus, so plus 4, 4 3s are 12, 5y plus 4, 5y plus 4, that is common. Equals to 5y plus 4, 7y minus 3. So this is L. Area of rectangle equals to L multiply B. So length of rectangle L equals to 5y plus 4. Length is 5y plus 4 and breadth is B. B equals to 7y minus 3. 16 first part. Volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid is 3x square minus 12x. 3x is taken common, 3x, x minus 4. As we know, volume of cuboid equals to length multiply breadth multiply height. So here three factors are 3 multiply x minus 4. So length is L, breadth is B, height is h, L is 3. So possible dimensions of the cuboid are L equals to 3, B equals to x and height equals to x minus 4. Height equals to x minus 4. Second, volume of cuboid 12ky square plus 8ky minus 20k. 4k is taken common, So here 4 3s are 12, 3y square, 4 2s are 8 plus 2y minus 5. 4k is taken common. In square bracket 3y square, middle term is splitted, plus 5y minus 3y minus 5, 4k is in square bracket. Y 3y plus 5, y is taken common in first two term, y 3y plus 5. In second two term minus 1 is common, nothing is common, so minus 1 is common. So minus 1 equals to 3y plus 5, 3y plus 5, 3y plus 5, 3y plus 5 is common. So here 4k in square bracket 3y plus 5, the bracket is common, and here y minus 1, y minus 1. So the three factors are 4k multiply 3y plus 5 multiply y minus 1 equals to L multiply B multiply H. On possible dimension, one possible dimensions of the cuboids are L equals to 4k, B equals to 3y plus 5, and H equals to y minus 1. Now the important questions of this exercise 2.5 from 9 onward is 10. First part, factorize each of the following. First part, 27y cube plus 125z cube. 27y cube plus 125z cube. 64m cube minus 343n cube. Question 13. If x plus y plus z equals to 0, show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3xyz. Question 14. First part. Without actually calculating the cubes, find the value of first part, minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. 15. Second part, area of rectangle, 35y square plus 13y minus 12. 16. First part, find the volume of cuboid of 3x square minus 12x. Please like, share and subscribe my videos and support me. Thanks for watching.